Hello, I am April Gasparri. I'm the Senior Vice President of Public Safety, Operations, and Maintenance. I am in the Army and am branched aviation. I was in active duty for 7 years and I flew the Scout Reconnaissance helicopter and have been in the reserves on and off for 10 years in a Pacific Theater operations cell. My military service fits into my current career because it's all about communication, taking care of your soldiers and our employees here and connecting with them, knowing that while we embrace the ideals of our overall mission for the airport, for serving our country, it really comes down to taking care of one another. And we do that in the Army when I was with my pilots and my crew chiefs, and we do that here at the airport very closely with all of the maintenance, the fires, the operations, the police shops, and all of our sister and supporting departments as well. The advice that I would give to active duty service members who want a career in aviation is to visit the airports, to seek out those professionals with whom you'd like or who you are interested in, to follow your passion.